Hi, welcome to MarineMax Houston. My name is Skip Pillsbury. I'd like to take you on a quick tour of this Boston Whaler 21 Montauk. This is a 2025 model powered by a Mercury 204-stroke. Great electronics package on the boat. This boat is kind of part of the classic Boston Whaler platform. Welcome aboard the 210 Montauk. Standing on the back side of the boat here, we've got seating for two on both sides. Backrest pops up, get ready to start fishing. Drop this down, nice open area here. We have raw water washdown located in the transom. We got a landing post here, live well, good size, insulated. Keep your bait nice and fresh, or that will double as a cooler. Get ready to go boating. We'll just drop this backrest back, come up to the helm. Easy access to our controls. We do have a SIMRAD display with our GPS and our fish finder, JL audio stereo, VHF radio, trip tab controls, and then our SmartCraft gauges, easy access to all your switches, everything nice and easy. As we kind of work our way around to the starboard side of the console, you'll notice this boat does have a very large head compartment with some extra storage. This boat does have the trolling motor package, so your trolling motor batteries will store down there. We kind of work our way forward with the fishing package. We've got our rod holders, cooler, tackle storage. A little bit farther forward, big casting platform on the forward deck, fish box, anchor locker, and you'll notice our trolling motor panel back forward. Thank you again for taking a tour of the Boston Whaler 210 Montauk.